How to check friend request on Facebook. And the very first thing we're going to do if we were to check the friend request that we have received is to go to this button right here, the friend request button right here. And we will be able to see all the friend requests that we have received from other people requesting to be our friend. Now, in order for us to see the sent friend request that we have, all we have to do is to tap on this main menu button right here and scroll down to the very end until we see settings and privacy. We just have to tap on that and click on settings right here. Once we're on our settings, we just have to scroll down until we see this section that says your activity, wherein activity log is located. So we just have to tap on activity log and scroll down until we see connections right here. So we just have to tap on this arrow down button right here and we'll be able to see friends right here. So we just have to tap on manage friends and click on filters and tap on categories right here. So we just have to tap on send friend request right here. So we will be able to see the friend request that we have sent on other people on Facebook right here. So that's how to check friend request on Facebook. Hope we help.